Welcome to the grand final of the Let's Talk competition.
And to our top 10 finalists, congratulations once again to all of you. Getting to this stage is a massive achievement for all of you already. So today, whether you left this room with the first place or not, just remember that you are the best of the best already. Let your own true self speak it out loud and share it to the world with your topic today.
Today, talent, passion, and determination come together on one stage.
And I am not afraid to tell you that feeling less than them because someone
Maybe we are afraid of being seen. Oh, that it is okay. But the truth is,
For success, I always heard people everything. The information sleep early, so there were many.
The future of our family
it makes us feel comfortable.
From many, only the strongest remain. These finalists earn their place through skill, courage, and unstoppable dedication.
them in their journey. And this
Good enough because of conquering.
And one failure is one step.
Every second mattered. Every performance raised the bar. This was more than just a competition. It was a celebration.
The champion of Let's Talk competition season 1 is Nova.
Choosing a winner was never easy because every finalist delivered excellence. This season comes to an end, but the journey continues. See you next time in Season 2.